If you're a man who knows what to do, but you don't do it consistently, if you started plans, you quit, you restarted, and you quit again, if you're tired of feeling like you're carrying strength in one area of life, but weakness in the areas that actually matter, then listen to me. You don't have a fitness problem. You have an identity problem. Because when you don't know who you are, you won't know what to say. And when pressure hits, stress, temptation, fatigue, anger, a disciplined body with a confused identity collapses. This is why I created the Shredded Man Project. This is a 12-week rebuild of the man, not a workout program, not a hype. These are standards. It's physical strength so you carry responsibility. It's spiritual authority so you can lead your life instead of reacting to it. Because comfort is killing men. Comfort kills discipline. Comfort kills leadership. Comfort kills calling. And most men don't need another program. They need a process that forces them to stop hiding. What is it? The Shredded Man Project is a structured 12-week program built around identity, ownership, discipline, mental warfare, emotional control, sexual discipline, leadership, brotherhood, purpose, and standards. Every week you'll get one clear focus and you execute it. You'll go through scripture-based teachings, then you apply it with real assignments. Not think about it, not journal if you feel like it, you execute. This is for men who are done negotiating with themselves. What you'll build in 12 weeks, you'll build a disciplined body that doesn't fold under stress, a mind that doesn't spiral when life gets heavy, standards you actually live by, a leadership identity at home, at work, and in your private life, a brotherhood mentality. You don't do this alone because isolation is where compromise grows. Who is this for and who's it not for? This is for men who are ready to lead, serious about their faith and discipline, willing to be coached, willing to tell the truth and do the work. This is not for dabblers, not for excuse makers, not for men who want little motivation. If you want comfortable, then leave right now. If you want change, keep listening. How to join? Easy. The first step is a call with me. Not a sales call, not but a real conversation to see if you're the right fit and if I can actually help you. On that call, we'll talk about where you're stuck at, what's been breaking your consistency, what pressure exposes in your life, and whether this 12-week rebuild is the right move for you. If you're a fit, I'll show you the next step. If you're not a good fit, I'll tell you straight. So here's what you need to do right now. Click the link below on this page and book your call. Or if you're the type that moves fast, then text SHREDDED to 805-600-2619 and I'll send you the scheduling link. Because this is simple. 12 weeks, no hiding. If you're ready to own your identity, rebuild your discipline, and lead like a man, book the call. I'll see you on the other side.